What's up, Laker fans? Kyle Kuzma is playing a lot harder on defense this year, but is mostly seeing the same results. Let's take a closer look at why. He continues to hop and skip when defending ball handlers, which was a problem last year too. It's hard to change direction when your feet aren't on the ground. Kuz takes poor recovery angles when he's on the ball. He's supposed to slide back into the side on a play like this in order to beat his man to the spot, but he only slides to the side, so the ball handler gets his shoulder past him, forcing him to open up his defensive stance and chase him. He also has some physical limitations. He's stronger than he was last year, but he's still built like a wing. He's more of a power forward small ball hybrid than the power forward small ball 5 role that he's been in for much of the year. There are too many plays where he's flat-footed off of the ball and he's slow to react to loose balls or a rotation that he needs to make as a help defender. That causes him to get there too late. He could help that reaction time, but needs to learn what opponents are trying to run against him and anticipate their next move. That's probably a more likely path to improvement than hoping that he suddenly develops better instincts. There are a lot of miscommunications with him too. Lonzo thinks they're switching here, but Kuz goes to Capella. Then they both react to Harden, leaving Capella alone. LeBron has to drop down to prevent the dunk, and that leaves his man wide open for a corner 3. And he doesn't help the Lakers' defensive rebounding issues by slapping at the ball with one hand as he often does. Kuz has taken a step forward with his effort on the defensive end, but still has a ton to learn in terms of technique. His ability to do that and do it quickly will be crucial to the Lakers' prospects as a team on that end this year. Alright, that'll do it for this one. I'll catch you guys next time.